Namaste coders, welcome in this video data communication. What is data communication? Data communication is the process of transferring data or information between two or more devices through a communication medium such as cables, optical fiber or wireless networks. Components of data communication. पहला sender, the device that sends the data. Second, receivers, the device that receives the data. 3. Message, the information being sent. 4. Transmission medium, the path through which data travels, that is cable, Wi-Fi. 5. Protocol, the rules that follow the medium. Types of communication: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Simple duplex follow one way path rule. Half duplex follow the both sides, and full duplex also follow the both side pathway simultaneously. Thanks for watching.